Hello, my sewing friends. I have just a few things more to show you from my most recent vacation, my summer vacation. I'm Jen, and this is my sewing room, and I have finally gotten down to the end of the spoils from my summer vacation. I visited so many fabric shops, so many thrift shops. Oh my goodness. So when I was leaving Mount Airy, North Carolina, someone else had said, don't miss the Fancy Gap Pottery and Fabric Warehouse or outlet, or both. Because every time I refer to this place, I go, y'all, I can't even. I can't even. I took pictures of it and sent it to my friend Andra, and she goes, Jen, I can't even. I couldn't either. When they say warehouse, oh my goodness, they are not kidding. They have miles of quilting fabric.
This just called for a video. Look at how they've categorized all these fabrics. Oh my goodness. This is only like the one side of it. The other side goes back. Like, can you see how far back that goes? Holy moly.
Miles. They have like a shelf and a half of apparel fabric, and they have a fair amount of home dec stuff. And then they have a whole other section of notions and patterns and trim. And oh my goodness, it was so much to take in. And I just kind of walked around like eyes this big as circles, and oh my goodness. Fortunately, they've grouped everything into kind of a genre. Thank goodness that they were able to divvy it all up like that, because it made it so much easier to find what you wanted. Well, of course, I didn't have anything in mind I was looking for, so I went ahead and just went over to a section that I happened to find that was all about sewing and knitting and quilting and all that kind of thing. All the fabrics there had sewing related things or yarn related things, something like that. So I ended up getting 2.5 yards, I think is how much I got of this one. This was dark fabric that I got because I thought I need to make a Simplicity 8640, which is my favorite dress, from a dark fabric. And so I saw this and I thought, oh yeah, that'd be great for that. I'm always trying to look on the selvages to see if I can get a good idea of who makes this fabric. Sewing Mends the Soul by Laura Claire for Henry Glass and Company. So I ended up getting 2 or 3 fabrics for that pattern, this dress, because I make it over and over and over again. This is a wonderful dress. But I found this. This is Pincushions Thread, a sewing machine. And I thought it was perfect. Kind of reminds me a little bit, probably because it's dark, of my Singer Featherweight and my Singer 99, which are right here in front of me. You can't see them, but I look at them all the time. So a couple of yards of that. And this is really a nice weight cotton. I think it is 100% cotton. Look at the selvage. Oh, it has all those little things on it. I really like it. And so this is the only piece of fabric that I got from there. But to be fair, I had been shopping for fabric and I had so much fabric in the car at that point. This was the last place I went, and so I kind of was on overload, but I love that piece. And so then I walked through the store and I just could not get over all the stuff they had, not just the fabrics. I mean, right there was the total overload, but I just found all kinds of things. So I decided I would grab some overalls buckles because I never have these, ever. I always, I think, oh, I'm going to make that little pair of overalls, or I'm going to make that little jumper, and I never have these. I always have to go searching for them. So these were 49 cents each, and I'm like, yeah, I got 5. And then they had a basket full of patterns, and they said last ones of these, but then they had a big book like a catalog, but it was like, I don't know, it was like a loose leaf binder of designs, of patterns that they had, and they said they were all 25 cents. 25 cents, oh my gosh. So I grabbed this many. These are from a company that I'd never heard of called New Mode Steel. And I think they're German, because I think there's some German stuff on the back. I don't know, I could be wrong. I don't know. Tell me what you think. Does that look like German? I don't know. Maybe you know this company. Clearly it's European because it's a different language, but let me show you which ones I got. I got this one, which is a top. Probably could be extended to be a dress. Very cute. Color blocked if you like. Button down the front. Just so cute. I just thought that was adorable. And you can do two different kinds of collars. You can do, is that one? Yeah, that's a mandarin. No, wait, that's without the collar. And then this does have the collar. I guess you can't do two collars. You just with or without. So there's that one. This is Quick and Easy New Mode. And it is I thought it was a dress. Isn't that beautiful? Nope. It's a top and a skirt. Isn't that crazy? I just love it. I think it's beautiful. I couldn't resist that one. I mean, really, 25 cents. This is like Berta. I mean, it's kind of done like Berta on the back. Yeah, I liked that one a lot. This was the last one, and it was just a t-shirt. But what I liked about it is that it's got this detail around the neckline. Isn't that pretty? It does have a dart. Just so nice. Oh, I like that. This is a little scooter skirt. I call it a scooter skirt. It doesn't have, it's just a skirt. There are no shorts under it. But I just thought it was adorable. I think that's so cute. Just cut in a circle. This one is, it's formal wear. I liked the petal skirt on this, but I just thought, I do buy these occasionally when I find them thrifted or, you know, just in general, when I think that one of my girls might like it for some occasion, or if they, you know, they're going to be a bridesmaid in their sister's wedding, or they're going to get married, whatever. But anyway, I found that. I thought it was really cute. Got that little bolero jacket and then that dropped waist, beautiful dress. Which, you know, I look at something like this and I think, it doesn't have to be gathered. You could pleat that and still have all that fullness, but a very smooth look to it. I probably would pleat it if I were making it for me, but I'm already married. My wedding dress is right there. Okay, and then this one I just thought was cute. It's a little polo shirt and a polo dress. Oh, it's just really cute. It's got pockets. Yeah. Simple. I like that. And this one I really liked. This is another little dress that I'm going to make. And what I like is this back detail. Now you don't have to have that back detail. You can do it, you know, just like a regular dress. But I like this one because I like where the pockets are. And then I like this detail on the back. So yeah, that's probably what I'll do. So I will keep you posted on how I like these patterns, but you know, I couldn't pass them up for a quarter, really? Oh my goodness. So, yeah, this has a zipper up the back, and yeah, I just think it's a cute little dress for the way I live. So that was Fancy Gap Pottery and Fabric. I think it's Outlet. I'll link their website down below. Yeah, well, I think they have a website. I don't know. You know, sometimes they do, and sometimes it's a Facebook page. So I don't know. Whichever it is, I will link it down below. And I'll see if I can do some research on these patterns and just see where they came from. But yeah. So that concludes all of the treasures that I got on my summer vacation. I've gotten to the end, and oh my goodness, the pile of fabric behind me, oh, I don't even, that's a lot of loads of laundry. Let's put it that way. So if you would like to see a playlist of the summer vacation of Jen 2022 and all the things I bought, just check right over here. There'll be a playlist. And so that's it for now. For me, I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. And let me leave you with this. Do justice, love mercy, and walk humbly with your God. I want to do that every single day. I hope you do too.